In this video, I am going to tell you the most asked question among clients and advertisers. What should my budget be? To be honest, this is very annoying question because without knowing the condition of business or at what stage your business in, you cannot decide budget. Maybe the right budget for them is $300 or $3,000 or $30,000. But I can show you how to work out on your budget and came up with the starting budget, right? So let's start with the Facebook way, or you can say traditional way, or Facebook recommended way, right? Let's say you are an e-commerce business. Your average order value is $100, and let's assume you need to hit 2x ROS in order to break even. So this is your break even point, 2x. So you need $100 divided by 2, that leads to $50. This is your cost per purchase. And we know that whenever you start running ads, our ads go into learning phase and get out of learning phase, and to get out of learning phase we need 50 conversions per week, right? Sometime it get out of a learning phase at 45, but according to Facebook it happens at 50, right? So you need 50 conversion per week, and each conversion cost you $50. And obviously we try to get our conversion cost of conversion to be low, around 30 to 40. But for this we start with the break even, which is $50. So 50 conversion per week multiply by 50, that is the cost of conversion. This will come as $2,500 per week, and for week leads to $10,000 as your monthly ad budget. And to work out on your daily budget, 10,000 divided by 30, it leads to triple $3. Or you can range between 300 to 350 per day budget. And always go for daily budget. I see people using lifetime budget. Daily budget will give you much better control on ads, and this whole calculation is based on Facebook traditional way. Now this $300 daily budget is really high to start off, right? You will be thinking 10k monthly budget, it's crazy, right? It's way too high. Even you might be thinking, I don't have that kind of money, I can, and start thinking that I cannot have success on Facebook, right? This is a very scary position. Who is just like, this is very scary position for someone who just starting and thinking of Facebook ads for their business, right? Let me tell you, this whole traditional way is nonsense. Firstly, you can have absolutely crazy results in learning phase. If you see that you are still in learning phase, please don't worry about that. Facebook will tell you to increase the budget, but you don't have to, right? You can have good results in learning phase too. Facebook recommend that Facebook recommend because Facebook is a business. They also want money. More you spend on the platform, it is good for them. Whole calculation we did, this is a theoretical calculation. 10k is too much to spend when you're just starting off. So please remove this notion. You don't need a very big budget to get success with the Facebook and and get some good results. So you need to have a data to prove that this ad set will perform, and this creative, this video, this copy or this headline will perform. At the beginning of the ads is all about testing, optimizing and getting data. So you need to start with smaller budget. So how you should calculate your starting budget? And this process is really simple. You start your starting or minimum budget should be something, if you lose all of it, you generate no sales, no leads, this is absolutely fine. It will not put you out of business, any financial difficulty. I think this is really important, and whatever that number will be depend on your business. So do you have business that is going 6 to 7 figures, or you're just starting off. You have no revenue to invest. Both stage of business is totally different, and the number you can afford to lose is going to be very different. But I wouldn't recommend you to start something so low that you don't care about it. So let's say you have a good business doing 6 to 7 figure dollar business, right? And if you start a campaign with $10 or $5, would you think you will care about it if you lose uh, $10 daily? That will lead to $300 per month, right? But for the smaller business, it might be plenty, it can be too much. You want to find the sweet spot, and it will be like that you can go afford to lose this amount money. It's not going to hurt us to put us in any difficult position. If we do, emotionally it's gonna sting a little bit. I don't want to lose this, I want something to come back in return. It's really important you care about the budget. I've seen larger businesses, they create a campaign with smaller budget. This does not even mean anything even if that campaign start running and it produce some kind of results and you getting some sales, right? It won't affect the volume as it is very tiny number and they are generating leads or sales from somewhere else. You need to find the sweet spot. If you care about that budget, you will monitor the data, you will check the ad accounts daily, and you will put mind on that and make adjustment and try to optimize things and try different stuffs, different videos, different creatives. If the budget is small, you won't care up, you won't care even to check it. If you are a very big business owner, you will hire somebody, agency or some guy to run the ads for them. Then also you will be involved in this. You will ask questions, monitor things, and actively participate in this process. If you are working with agency, they ask you to create a video for this particular product or collection, your service, you will be more than happy to indulge with them. So find that balanced sweet spot that you care about and don't even put you in any financial misery, right? I hope this video makes clear your doubt on what should be your budget. And if you have any doubt, please comment down in the comment section. And I hope you like the videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.